Hey guys, today we're going to be making turkey chili. Hey guys, today we're going to be making turkey chili. We have 3 cups of onion, which is about 2 medium-sized onions, 2 minced garlic. We have garlic powder, oregano, sugar, pepper, salt, chili powder, paprika, tomato paste. These are also ingredients that you'll need. We got 1 can of kidney beans and 1 can of pinto beans, 15 ounce each. We have 3 cups of beef broth. We have 2 pounds of turkey meat. You can also use 2 pounds of beef or any other kind of meats that you want. We have 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes. We have 15 ounces of tomato sauce. And first we're gonna be sauteing our onion and turkey meat. Okay, first off we're gonna be sauteing our onions for 5 minutes. Turn on your heat. Since this is a cast iron, I'm gonna heat this pan up for 1 minute at high heat. Okay, so it's been about a minute. I'm gonna turn my heat down to medium high. I'm gonna line my whole entire pot with oil. You could use any other pot, but I just prefer to use a cast iron because it's better to make like soups in it. You could also use like a crock pot for this. Just gonna mix it around. You can see it. Okay, so it's been about 30 seconds. I'm gonna put my onions in. You can also use as many onions as you want. I just prefer to have 2 onions, 3 cups. Okay, now you want to set a timer for 5 minutes. Stir frequently, like about every minute or so at medium heat, and then I'll see you back in 5 minutes. Okay, so there's 2.5 more minutes on the clock. You're just gonna want to turn your fire to the highest, and we're gonna reduce the liquid in it. I'll check back on you when there's 30 seconds. Okay, so there's 30 seconds on our clock. You're just gonna want to start pushing the onions on one side because we're gonna start to brown our turkey meat on the other side to get that good, nice char. Okay. And now we're gonna add our 2 pounds of turkey meat in. Right over here. Leave it on high heat. What you're gonna want to do is just break it. Okay, now we're gonna add our spices and tomato paste in. Okay. So we got our 1 teaspoon of pepper. Let's stir that in. We got our oregano. Turn your heat down to medium low. We got our salt. We have our paprika. Now we got our chili powder. Oh yeah, nice and red. Yeah. Now we got our garlic. We have our garlic powder. We have our sugar. We got our tomato paste. Oh yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna add our beef broth. Right, yep, nice, gentle. Our beef broth. Now you want to turn it to high, the highest your stove can go. Oh yeah, look at this chili. Looks like it's from Wendy's. Here's a little thing about Wendy's. They use leftover burger meat. All right, we're gonna add our crushed tomatoes. Yeah, oh. Yeah.
I got my mouth.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Our chili pot's looking a little full now, which is good. Now we're gonna add our tomato sauce. Oh yeah. And I'm gonna make sure you get all of it out. Look at this, red and nice. Oh, yeah, look at this. This looks like chili. It's costed under 20 bucks to make. We are gonna want this to boil. And since our beans are fully cooked, we are gonna want to add them last so they don't get all mushy. And right now, just give it a taste. Let's see how it tastes like. Once this thing starts boiling, you're gonna want to let it simmer for about 30 minutes. Okay, so here we go. Our chili is looking good. Okay, so now it's boiling. You're gonna want to lower the heat down to medium. Stir this baby up. Okay, so on medium heat, set a timer for 30 minutes. Alright, so there's 15 minutes on our clock left. We are gonna add our beans now, our kidney and pintos. And just add it like that. Give it a stir. And also don't forget, you could add cayenne pepper and cumin, which I strongly recommend. Alright, let it simmer on low again for another 14 minutes. I'll check back on it. Okay, so our timer's about to go off. And we're gonna try our chili. We're gonna see how it is. And also, for the crushed tomatoes, you can also use diced tomatoes and look for something that doesn't have herbs in it. Okay? Okay, we got 10 seconds left. Alright, our chili's done. Also with this chili, you can also simmer it longer to get more flavors out, but since I don't have enough time, I'm just gonna do it for 30 minutes, but you could do it for an hour. Alright, now we're gonna try it. Okay. That's pretty good. I taste the chili. It's not bad. That's some good chili. So that's how you make chili. Some turkey chili. Stay tuned for my next video. Please drop a like and subscribe. Bye guys.